This video looks at affiliate marketing programs for beginners. What are the benefits? How do you choose? First, what are affiliate marketing programs or networks? Affiliate marketing programs or networks communicate between merchants and affiliate marketers. They are partners. They manage administration. For example, they deliver products to customers. They pay affiliates. They provide valuable analytics on how products and services are converting or selling. What are the key benefits to affiliate marketers? Established affiliate networks have thousands of merchants on their books. They save affiliates time and effort searching for good products and services to promote. They allow affiliates to promote proven products and services. This is a huge time and money saver for affiliates. They handle essential admin tasks and resolve disputes for affiliates. They provide affiliates with a way to start a home-based business with very little capital. To recap the benefits: affiliate networks allow affiliates to start online businesses and make money easily and fastest. They remove administrative hassles like dealing with customer refunds and complaints. They make sure affiliates get paid. There are many popular affiliate marketing programs. Here are 5. Commission Junction, Share a Sale, Link Share, ClickBank, Amazon Associates. How do you choose the best affiliate marketing program? The best affiliate marketing program is the one that is a good match for your niche as well as your marketing needs. Here are 4 criteria to consider. Number 1. Features. This includes good customer support, desirable commission rates, timely payment cycles, the number of products and services available to promote, and the quality and popularity of the products and services. What resources are available? Number 2. Reviews. It's essential to read some reviews before joining an affiliate marketing program. Make sure you know what you are signing up for. Is the program a good fit for your chosen affiliate marketing niche? Number 3. Time. Consider how much time it will take to familiarize yourself with the platform. What are its strengths and weaknesses? Does it have time-saving apps to help you track your sales, refunds, and profits? Number 4. Suitable. There is no one-size-fits-all affiliate marketing program. Look for a program that suits your business goals and personality. Final thoughts. Many affiliate networks and programs suit both beginners and experienced affiliate marketers. Start with one and expand from there. Please like this video and subscribe.